Hello, hi everyone, welcome back in my another video. Pankaj here. So today we are creating the mobile application and the dashboard for the desktop. Okay, so basically this is the attendance application and this is a new version of attendance application in Power Application. Here is employee login and manager login and admin login. Okay, the here is only dynamic user logins. Okay, if you assign anyone employee login, so he able to login as a employee. If you assign anyone to manager or admin, he able to login as a manager or admin in the desktop. Okay, basically employee login in the for the mobile application. So let me login as a employee login. So this is the employee login option. Okay, and here is showing the dashboard. Now you can check. Here is showing the my name and here is showing the date and here is showing the check-in the status. Okay, if you mark your attendance, here is showing the check-in or active time. You active last 4 hour 12 minutes. Okay, today here is showing the total working days of the month of the current month and how many days you present in this month, how many days you absent, how many times you come the late in the office. Okay, so here is showing the dashboard and we can insert also here the dashboard column chart also, and where is showing the working hours in the column chart, how many work hours you working as per date of the last 30 days. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Now let me show you the attendance option. Okay, if you click on the check-in, your time in, and if you click on the checkout, here is mark the checkout also. Okay, and now you can check our office location is verified and here is showing the check-in and checkout time, and here is option for check-in and checkout button. Okay, and you can also inbuild the camera and other things as per your requirement, but first we create only basic application with the good design only. We already created the application, but now we are creating only good designs. Okay, and few new logics like these. Okay, and here is history option. Employee able to check his date, his attendance by the date filter. Okay, and with other things like he able to click and he able to view the all details like location and other things. So here is showing the shift time. This is regular shift and how many works he work, and here is showing the late and present and all things here. Okay, if he no he didn't pick up mean he didn't come at office, so showing the here absent also, here is absent. Okay, so here is profile option. If you click on the profile, now you able to view here is employee name and his designation. Okay, his role of the application. Okay, and here you can check his mail id and the software designation and department and other things, or you can add the id details and other things as well in the setting icon. Okay, so basically we are creating here for screen for the employee. Okay, is dashboard and attendance and history and profile. It's simple application we are creating. Okay, so just we are create only two files, two list as a backend. Okay, and creating the good design in Power Application. So let me start my Power App. So here is Power Apps, and now you're able to view here is create option. Okay, just you need to click the create from blank. You need to select the create from blank. Okay, and you want to create for mobile, so you need to select the mobile, or you can select also responsive, which one work in dashboard or desktop and mobile. Okay, so first we are creating only for mobile, so our application properly work in mobile, and we create separate dashboard for admin and managers for the desktop. Okay, so here is the insert the screen automatically, and now what I need to do, I need to fix the few things. Just I need to go to setting, and in the update section I need to allow the modern controls and theme. Okay, and just close it. Now you can give the your screen name like login screen, yeah, other things. Okay, so let me give the name login screen. Okay, so first we are creating the login screen, and make sure our screen background as per our application. Okay, so let me go back on my login screen. So this is my login screen, and let me create the design as per same. Okay, so first I need to set my background color of the login screen. So I need to type here in the field property like background color. I'm already created the background color code, so I'm putting the same 245 and 246 and 248, and opacity is 1. Okay, now this is my background color. Okay, now I need to insert a container in this. Okay, insert and container. Okay, now what I need to do in the container, you can give the name container logo. Okay, so if you give the name, you can easily understand whenever you edit the all things. Okay, and in the width option you need to give as per parent width. Okay, or you can drag and drop as a full size. Okay, or you can, if you give the formula, that will be fine. Okay, parent width. Okay, so automatically set as per your application width. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to set the height. So I need 350 height of my container. Okay, after 350 height I need exposition is 0, and the Y position is 80. So now you're able to view, and I need to add here my logo. Okay, so first I need to go to insert, and here I need to insert the image. Okay, and what is the my image size? So first I need to give my container drop shadow as a none. Okay, so now I need to I think still it's now it's selected none. Okay, now I need to select my image, and image width and height I need to do his 320 is too much. I need to give the 320 and 320 also, and border radius as a 20. Okay, and I need to set it in the center. I think the height also 320 120. On the image icon, first let me insert the other label as well, like this one. Okay, here is showing the Dialforit and employee portal. Okay, so let me insert these things. Just try not to go here, and here I need to insert the label. Okay, so first I need to insert and the text label, and in the text I need to give the text property tile for IT. Okay, and you can give the color also of your text. First I need to select the center, and here also middle, and the font size I need to give I think 14 here, so let me do it double 28. Okay, and font width I need to give bold. Okay, and the font color I need to select the font color. Okay, so you can select also font color, or you can give according to you. So let me put my font color code here, RGB, and it's a 30 55 120, and opacity is now it's fine, and width I need to give as per my container width. So you can mention here the parent width, and height you can select the auto height, so it's choose automatic height as per coding. And let me increase size also, because here is too much size, so it's according I think 50 size enough. Now I think fine. Okay, so let me upload it in the center section. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to add here employee portal. Just I need to copy and paste the same. Okay, and here, and I need to give the color the dark gray, and just I need to do a few things here. I can text size is 25, half of this. Okay, and I need to change the font color. In the font color I need to give the gray color, so just I need to color dot gray. Okay, I think this is done. Now I need to add logo. Just click on the no image, and here I need to upload the logo. Here you need to select the field, and I think it's selected, and you can increase size as per your recording if you want. Okay, and I think here is showing the something blur issue. So we set this image and set the size 120, and here we set the border radius 20, and this is our logo. Okay, so now here I need to mention the employee portal. Okay, now I think it's done, and I need to decrease the employee portal size also. Now our first step is done. Now here what I need to insert here, the employee login button and the manager button. Okay, so first I need to insert the button. You can insert the button, this one. Okay, just scroll down and set the size as per your recording. Okay, let me write the first thing here, employee login, and here I need to select the person icon, so this one. Okay, and what I need to do here, I need to set the height. First height is our 60, button height is 60. Okay, and button width is I think let me set the 30. Okay, and here also parent width, minus x, x property not showing, so we can put here 60. Okay, here I need to mention the 60, and So we set the align as in center. Okay, now you can set the border radius as per the recording. So here I'm set the 20 border radius. Okay, now once it's done, then you can copy the same button. First let me increase the text size. Okay, so here is font size is 24. Okay, and the color also I need to give the color. So just here I need to go to color palette, and here I need to type the RGBA, and the color code is 32, 61 and 146, and stage 1 and bracket close. Now you are able to view the color as per our this. Okay, and you can give the more round shape. Okay, now you need to copy and paste the same button, and I think here is down. Now here you need to set the admin manager login. Okay, and here you can choose the icon admin and manager login, like setting icon and other icon also as well. Okay, so we choose here only setting icon. Now what you need to do, and here you need to give the color. Okay, so first you need to select here the secondary option. I want only secondary option, and the borderline you need to give. So here you need to give the borderline here border radius is 20 as per the last button. Okay, so here you need to select the 20 border radius. Okay, now I think here is not set the 20. Let me select again. Okay, 20, and here also what I need to select, here I need to give the borderline. Okay, so our what is the borderline color? Okay, so borderline color is our this color. Okay, so you need to select here border, and here border style you need to select the border color. So border color option you need to give the border line. Okay, border color. So first border color is RGBA. Okay, and here you need to put the border color. So border color is 32. You can choose as per your above button. Okay, so basically is 32, 61, 146. Okay, and the 1 and bracket close. Now you can give the borderline as per your recording, like I want to give 1, and here you need to select the solid. Okay, so here is borderline, and you can give more border line width. I think this is fine. Okay, and the under the text color we need to change also. So just you need to select the font color and paste the same here. Now the both color is similar. Now what you need to do, you need to insert the like text, secure login and other things. So here is showing the secure access for Dialforit employee. Okay, so you need to insert the same text, and you need to give the only text. Okay, so let me go here, and here I need to copy the same, and here I need to paste. Oh, I think I'm pasting the same container. I think not in container, I think outside. And here you need to type the secure access. Okay, so just you need to type secure access. Okay, you can give as per this. Okay, secure access for. Okay, so I need to type the secure access for, and just I need to copy and paste the same, and here I need to type the Dialforit employees. and here I need to give the font color as per the above color. Just you can copy the color this one, and here you need to paste the font color. Okay, now so this is our first login page. Now you can check we created the our first login page, or you can check this one also. The both are similar. So let me open this one also. Now here you can check the both page are similar, and the first page is created over. Now I need to go with the second page. Okay, so second page is here, dashboard. Okay, so I need to create the dashboard now. So our login screen design is done. Now we need to create our attendance screen design. Okay, so basically first we are creating the old designs, then we will create the logic and formulas and backend. Okay, so this is our first login screen, and let me show you. Okay, so here is our login screen. You can check. Now we create the attendance screen. Okay, so this is our attendance screen where is showing the status and the total working days and present, absent days and late marks. Okay, so here is overview all, and here is the dashboard, attendance history and profile. Okay, so let me create so now what you need to do, you need to log in. You need to create the attendance overview screen. So new screen, and here you need to choose the blank screen, and in the blank screen what you need to do, and you need to give the first screen name. This is our screen of dashboard, so let me give the name screen of dashboard. Okay, I'm giving the name dashboard. Okay, now so first we need to insert a container in this screen. Okay, so let me insert the container. Insert and go here and container, and what I need to do, and container size parent width I need full. Okay, like full of like this. Okay, parent dot width. So as per our screen width, and it's showing the parent width. Now I need to height like 220. I think 220 is done. I think fine for our header. Now I need to give the color also. So here is color option, and you can I think I need this color on my screen. So let me first fill here, and here I need to give this color. Okay, as per our old screen. Now here what I need to give different color, just put the formula, and here I need 35. Okay, I think 3261 146. Okay, it's fine now. Okay, so this is color of our wrist, and you can give the border radius 20, and here in the width I think let me put the X property is 30. Okay, and I think 13 is too much. I need to give here 15. Yes, 15 is fine, and here also minus 30. It's double of the X property, and here Y property I need to give I think 100 is enough. I think 200 is fine. Okay, now this card is I think this one is done, and now I need to insert here the label. Okay, so first I need to insert a text label here. Just I need to go to text. In the text section, what I need to write here is overview. Okay, so you can write the overview. And you can set is center and middle. Okay, and here is color blue, so you can set the blue color. Font and font color. Okay, so you can set this one as per your this also. Just go here and copy this color code, and you can give overview the same color. Okay, just go to font color and put the same. Okay, now our overview is done. You can check, and you can increase the size. Like I want 20 size, 20 is enough. Okay, and you can set the auto height. And I want to set line start. Okay, so start as per our container. So now I think the done this section. Okay, now here you need to write the full username and hello option. Okay, so you can write here. Here is showing the hello and username. Okay, so this is hello. Okay, and here you can set the user name like user dot full name. Okay, here is showing name user full name. Okay, and you can also add this one hype icon also. Just you need to insert the and in the double inverted comma just type the hi, and you can insert this one. Okay, after full name you can give the space. Now you can set the width of this as per your recording. I'm set as per my container. Okay, and now I need to increase the size first. Okay, so here you can check this one size is 22. Okay, 20, and I think here I need to mention I need to give the 40 size. Okay, and I also want auto height option, and here I want the bold regular as bold. Okay, now here is showing the all things, and here is showing the black color, so I need to give the black color also the font color. Okay, now you can check the all things. This is done. Now I need to do one more thing. I want to show the date also, so you can just copy the above one and copy and paste this one, the overview section. Okay, and scroll down, and here you can mention the date. Okay, so for the date we need to use the text formula first. Okay, so in the text section you need to insert the current date and now formula, and I want date in different format. Okay, so you can insert the today or now both formula if you want. Okay, so let's insert the today, and I want date format in first. I want the date day name, so I'm insert this one, then comma, and I want the month name in 3, so this one, and date, and the year I want the full, and then bracket close. Okay, Now I need to gain the width properly as per my container, and here I need to give the white. Let me check the color also. Here is showing the gray color. Okay, so you can choose the gray color. Okay, this one. Okay, so our first screen is done. Here is showing the Monday March 2 and the all things here. Okay, and here you can choose the semi bold. Okay, now I need to add here the few things like similar as per this. Okay, so here is showing the gap too much. You can add also like I need to add here the 30, and here also I need to add the 60. Okay, so you can set these thing as per this. Okay, okay, everything fine now, and now I need to do few more things. Okay, so first I need to add here the attendance overview like this one. Okay, attendance status and the other things, and so you can just copy the same. Okay, if you want, just copy the same and paste in this. Okay, now here I want the showing the attendance status. Okay, so first I need to go a container and insert this one, and here I need to give the font size like 34. Okay, and the text is first we do not create any logics. Okay, once we create our backend, then we will create the all logics. So for now we are only adding the sample data. Okay, so basically I'm adding here the check-in. Okay, and you can give the color as a white, and the text property bold. Okay, and let me give here like 30, and here also I need to give the 30. Okay, now you need to copy the same and paste it. Okay, in this same container. Okay, now here you need to add, I'm adding the same formal tags only. So I'm adding here the active, and we will add later the all logics. Okay, so for now we are creating only designs, and we focus only design. Okay, I need to give the text size, I think 24. Let me give the 20 only, and here I need to choose the semi bold, and I think here is fine now. And I need to add one more thing here, the circle. Okay, so basically circle color based on the check-in status. Okay, so let me create the size of 20 and 20. Okay, and For now I'm using only green, and you can use also green or red. Okay, if you are not checked, if you are absent, then showing the red also. Okay, and you can copy the same and paste, and here you can add the attendance status. Okay, I'm choose here the light gray, and this one also done. And if you want to add here check-in icon, just you can add the icon check page. Okay, so it's visible whenever here is showing the check-in. If we mark any attendance, okay, so this is showing. Okay, and you can give as a light color, custom, and opacity you can mark the this one, I think fine. And you can decrease size as per your recording. I think it's too much size. I think yes, this one fine now. Okay, if you are absent, showing the check-in as a absent. Okay, so our first thing is done. Okay, so this one part is done. Now we need to create this part. Okay, so after this we will create the this one. Okay, so first we are creating this part. Okay, so here is custom. You can add more things like leave balance, other things. Okay, if you want to add the all things in this application, your ticket status, if you adding your ticket application here, so you can add the all things. Okay, so let me add here the same things. Okay, you can copy the same container. Okay, if you copy the same container, your work will be easy. Okay, just copy and the paste. Oh, I think I'm pasting the same. You need to copy and paste in the dashboard screen. Okay, and scroll down, and as per this size you can choose the same size. Okay, which one? This one. Okay, like X and the width property. Okay, so let me remove the all things here. I don't need anything here. I need to remove this one, and I will keep this one. Okay, and let me remove this one. So you need to remove this icon as well, and here you can set the height. And so basically I think height here is showing the, I think you need to keep only 80 height, half of this height, half to half of this height. Okay, and the all things is done, and fill white. Okay, so you need to set here white color. Okay, so here is showing, and the border radius will be same, and you can change the both text color. So here is showing the dark gray and the black. Okay, so first let me choose the black color for now both. Okay, so you can enter here the tornado. So we are adding only custom data for now. Okay, then we will add the, once it's done, then we will add the old logics and other data. Okay, as well. So I'm mention it in the center section, and So here is showing total working days. Okay, so you can mention total working days, and here you can check the icon showing. Okay, so you can add the icons, but basically for the icons what you need to do, you need to add a rectangle, or you can add the container as well. So let me add the container in this. Okay, so here is container, and need to give the size as per icon, like 60, and here also 60, and border radius will be 20. I think 20 too much. I need to give border radius 10 only. Now let me give the my container color as per this. Okay, here is showing the light blue. Okay, so basically you can give the container color as light blue. So here is showing the light blue, and I need to give the color. You can set size according to you, and here is showing the whole thing now done. And let me change the color of this text. So I'm changing color dark gray. I think this is light. I need to give more dark. Now it looks good. Okay, so we created this one, and here you can set the border line. Now you need to do only few things, just create one container only. Okay, and now what you need to do, you need to copy the same container. Okay, so you can give the container's name. Okay, so here is our dashboard. This is our attendance status container, above. Okay, above container, and you can give the card container. Okay, so now you need to copy the container and the paste in the dashboard. So you need to paste at least 4 to 5 times, so you can easily place the all as per all containers. Just paste, copy, and paste the again. So here is showing the 4 containers, or you can add as per your recording. Okay, so I think these container size too small, so you can check the height is 80. I think I need to increase the all heights of the container. So let me increase the height. I want to give height 120. I think 120 is too much. 110. Okay, I think this one is fine. Now I need to set all containers again. Okay, now you can set in the center, okay, the all things, okay, if you want as per your recording. So I think this is center, and here this one is center, and let me set the all things in the center. Okay, now this container is done, and now what we need to do, I need to change the text as per this. Okay, so here is showing the present days, you know. Okay, so let me insert present days. Okay, and color will be same of text. Okay, and here is showing the absent days. Okay, and here is showing the late marks. Now you need to change the icon. Okay, first. Okay, so here is the check page. Okay, so you need to go and you can insert this one. Okay, and here is showing the cross icon, so you can insert the cancel page, and here is showing the clock icon, so you can insert the clock. Okay, so just you need to search the clock and you can insert the same. Now you can change the color. Here is showing the orange, so just you need to select the orange color. Here is showing the absent is red color, and here is showing the green, so you can set green. Now you need to change the container color as per this. Just select this one and mark opacity as I think, let me check this one, and here is 28 opacity, so you can set the old containers opacity as per same. Now the all things is done and all icons added and the tags and other things. Okay, now what we need to add, I need to add the footer navigation. Okay, so footer navigation is this one. Okay, here is showing the dashboard, attendance history, profile and other things. Okay, so for this you need to add first the first one thing. Here you need to add the container. Okay, so just you need to search here the container and add the container. Okay, this is simple container and you can scroll down and set here. Okay, and the container size will be I think 80 is fine. Let me add the height 80. I think it's too less, so let me add here only 100 height. Okay, now you need to give the container color. Okay, so basically I need container color as a white. So just select the white and the other things like the vibe property. So basically every time we copy and paste, then automatically set the this one. So the container height is 80, so you need to do the select the vibe property here, and the vibe property is parent height dot height, okay, minus 100. Okay, so it's automatically set here. Okay, according if you copy and paste on another screen, then it's automatically set in footer. Okay, so now what you need to do, you need to add the icons like this one. Okay, here is dashboard, attendance history and profile. Okay, and each or you need to add the each icon on select property like an navigation on screen, dashboard, attendance screen and other things. Okay, so for the icons and labels, what we need to do the few things. So in this you need to add we have for navigation. Okay, so basically you can add container, like you can change also container, or if you want to add in this the more for container, so you can add the more. So let me insert, and I think if we add the different horizontal container, so it's best, you know. So let me add the horizontal container. Okay, and now I think it's best, and here I need to give the height 100. Okay, and the I think width is full. Okay, and height is over 100, and I need to set the height property, y property, parent height dot height minus 100, the container height, so it's automatically navigate on below. Okay, now I need to set the white color. Now after white color setup, now what you need to do, you need to add the 4 containers in this. Okay, so basically you can search the container. Okay, and before container adding, I think okay it's fine, and height and width is fine. Now you need to remove the drop shadow as you know. Okay, so you don't need drop shadow here, also no drop shadow. Okay, so you need to remove the drop shadow and copy the container. Okay, so where is your container? This one. Okay, so you need to copy the container 5, and here you need to paste in the same as 4 time. Okay, so we need 4 time. Okay, now you can check, here is added the 4 container for our all icons. Okay, so and we set here the height in the center, and okay, oh this is fine already, and we can set also here center. Okay, now the whole thing is done. Okay, now what we need to do, I need to add here like logo and the logo name. Okay, so basically you need to add the icon and icon name. So basically power apps not provide these logo, okay, and this one. Okay, so let me check also the attendance. Okay, and the finger logo, there is no finger logo. Okay, and let me check the dashboard logo if available. There is no dashboard logo, so you can add the different logo also, or you can upload the logo from, you can download the Google. Okay, so for now let me add the logo here. So basically I need to add here the four things. Okay, so here is you can check the about line, and here is you can check the logo. Okay, and here you can check the dashboard. Okay, so I need to add the same thing. First you need to add the you need to search the rectangle. Okay, and here you can set the size and width. You can set with check your container width. The container width is 150, and it's flexible width, so you can set with like 70. I think 70 is fine. And height, I think 4 is fine. Height 4 is fine. Okay, so now you can copy the same rectangle and paste in the all. Okay, but we paste with the icon also. Okay, so just you need to insert the icon also, search the icon. Okay, and you can add, for example, now any icon. So I'm adding like dashboard. I'm added this icon, and the size will be, I think this one is fine. The vibe property should be, I think 12 is fine. I think 10 is fine. Okay, now I need to add the text label also. So insert a text label. I need text label with this text label only, so I'm added a text label. The text label size as per my below the icon. Okay, so I'm set this one, my text label size, and the text line in the center, and I'm change the font size as a 14. Okay, and the text size will be 14. Okay, now you can mention the text also here. Here is, this is dashboard, so I'm mentioning here the dashboard. Okay, now you need to copy the all things and paste in the same. Okay, but before this, what we need to do, I need to change the color of this. Okay, so first I need to set the color gray. I think dark gray. Let me check also in my application. So here is showing the dark gray. Okay, dark light gray. Okay, so let me select the same color. Okay, I need to copy these all items. Okay, and now I need to paste in the all containers. Okay, so basically now here is showing the blue line in all. Okay, basically we need to create logics, and whenever we select any item, then automatically this blue line visible, otherwise it's hide. Okay, so we need to create the logics. We will create later the all logics, and as you already told, first we will create the design only. So this is attendance part, so you can mention the clock, and here is no available of like gray color. Okay, so first I'm adding here the blue color for the both, and this is attendance. Okay, and I think this is attendance. And this part is our history. So let me put this history, and I need to change the icon as well. So I need to select this one, and here I need to choose the icon of calendar. Okay, so you can show the history icon like calendar. You can add also detail list, but let me add the calendar only. So here is only calendar blank. I need to calendar. Here is no. So you can add the detail list as a history, or here you can add the person. Okay, so you need to search the person and you can add the person. Okay, now the all icons is done, and you can we need to create logic. Once we select this one, then it's automatically blue, otherwise it's showing the gray. For now we mark the all as a white. Okay, and this one also we mark as a white, and this one also we mark as a white, and we set this one color as a dark blue as per the logo, as per this selected. Now you can check the all things is done. Now you're able to view the all things, the dashboard, the attendance, the history, the dashboard. Okay, so our first is our attendance screen, our dashboard screen is done. Now we need to create the attendance screen, then we will create the history, then user dashboard. Okay, sorry, then the profile. So I will explain the all logics in the last video. Okay, so first we are creating only design. Okay, I am creating, I will create the separate video for the all logics. Okay, so how here is showing the 22, 18, 1 and 3, and how we select the all things. Okay, now we need to create a different screen for attendance. Okay, so basically let me go here and let me set on the attendance. If I'm selected here attendance, so this is our attendance screen. Whenever we check in, then here is showing the time, and when we click on checkout, and here is showing the checkout time. Okay, and notification also showing, and office location also. You can add the customize option like camera option, location option, and other things as well. Okay, what do you want to add? Like you want to collect any comment while marking attendance, you can add also the many features. Okay, you can create any customization. For now we are adding the same screen, and here is similar like our dashboard screen. So here is overview and name, and here is also showing the mark attendance. So we are creating our application as in fast way. So I need to duplicate the same screen, just duplicate a screen. Now here you can check first, here is one container and the other item showing as well. Okay, so first we create here. So here first we need to delete this one. Okay, we don't need this one, and we need to delete this as well. Okay, so let me delete the containers. So I think last one we will use. Okay, so I need to delete the old. Okay, I'm deleted the old containers. Now you can check, here is showing like a tracking or mark attendance. Okay, so I will add here the tracking, and here is showing the mark attendance. Okay, so we will add here the mark attendance. Okay, so mark attendance. Now what we need to do, I need to add here one icon. Okay, in the round shape. So first we need to add a circle. Okay, you can add also, here is showing the layer of shadow. Okay, similar like. Okay, you can add a container if you want to add. So just add a container in this. Okay, and container you can set align as a mid. Okay, and the container height and width you can set, I think 2 to 5, width also 2 to 5, and now you can set it in the center. Okay, this is one is center. Now here what you need to do, here you need to give the border radius the 220 225 also, so it will be looks in round shape. Okay, and here you need to select the bold. Okay, now here is showing the drop shadow. Okay, you can insert the icon in this. Okay, so we don't have the fingerprint icon, or you can upload icon as per your according. Okay, you just upload here in the media section or select here. Okay, add here image and select here. Now we are adding only for now clock icon. You can add as per your recording. Okay, so the icon, I think here is 2 to 5, so we will give the size 150 icon, 150, and here also 150 height, and the icon color will be gray. Okay, our icon place in center. Now what we need to, I need to add the other things as well. So if you want to add here like fingerprint picture, okay, like this, so what you need to do, you need to download this picture from Google. Let me download. I'm downloaded the picture from the Google. Okay, so you can download from here. Okay, now I'm added here also the one to fingerprint download, and now I want to change here the like fingerprint picture. So just you need to go and here insert the image. Okay, so you can set the image as per your recording. So basically I'm set the image, I think here is automatically set as per my container. Now you need to select and here one to finger. Okay, so here you can check the showing the color of this picture. Okay, and so now I think it looks good. And now what we need to, I need to add here the buttons. Okay, so here is showing the button, the check-in button, the checkout button. Okay, so basically I need to insert the both button, and I need to insert the one of container like this. Okay, so first let me go with buttons. Okay, insert and go here the button. So here you can check only simple button, check in and check out. You can insert the same button like this one. So we will choose the X property like this one, and Y or the width also as per this, and we can choose the button size as per our according. Okay, I think 87 is fine, and here is button, the first color is dark blue. Okay, so let me choose here the dark blue color as well. So I'm choose this one, and here I need to write the check-in. Okay, check-in like this. Okay, So this is check-in button, and the border radius will be, I think here is 20. So here I need to write the 20 border radius. So here is 10, I need to give the 20. If I'm select, okay, now it's look good. And now I need to copy and paste the same button. So this button, our checkout button, just I need to write here checkout, and I need to change the color. So I think it's light pink, so I need to select the orange, and here I can change the color. I think let me add color manually. So go to fill property of the button, and here I need to set like 230, okay, and the 150, okay, and here also 150. Now it's look good and similar like this, okay, so it's look good, okay. Now, okay, now I need to add this container like this, okay. So this container size, I think around 180, and here our container height 110, okay. So I think 280. So I need to increase my container size. So uh, so my container size increase. Now I need to add here the 2-day summaries and the check-in, checkout, and office location also. So what you need to do, let me remove this icon and this one also. So here is 2-day summary. On 2-day summary, what you need to do, you need to write the 2 days summary, okay. Here is 2-day summary, I'm right, and the text size will be, I think here is 20, so I need to give the text size the 34, okay. And let me increase this one size also as well. And here I need to check the color is blue, so I need to give the dark blue color for the same. And okay, you can choose also the primary color as well, be created on start property. So this is easy way, just we select from here, we know the color this one, okay. So that's region, and you can give the x and y property like 20 from left, 20 from above, okay. I think it's fine now. And you need to insert the rectangle, okay. So basically rectangle for this line, here is showing the line and here is also showing the lines, okay. So you need to search the rectangle or insert here, and just start from here, and I think 20, okay. So let me check the full width, 580, okay. So let me 20 here and 40 here. Now it looks good, and here I need to give the height 2, and I need to give the color as a light gray, okay. Now here is showing the line, and just scroll below, okay. Now it's look good, and I think height will be 1 and color is dark gray. Now it's look good, okay. Now you can copy the same and paste, and just you can set in below, okay. And here also you can give the X property is 20. Okay, so now it's good. And now what we need to, insert the check-in and check-out. Okay, so here is check-in and here is check-out. Here is a small icon of check-in and here is a small icon on check-out time. Okay, so just you need to, you can copy the same text and just paste here. And I think this is our icon place. Now here you can write the check-in. Yes, this is check-in. And text will be, I think, reach, what is the text as the 34. I need to give the 20 and color will be gray, dark gray. Okay, and you can scroll down and set up size as per your recording and give auto height option. So here is check-in and check-out. Okay, so I think width I need to give, auto height is done. And 45 is X property. Just I need to copy the same. Before copy I need to insert one more icon. So just you need to insert a icon. Okay, just icon property and add here the icon. Okay, so icon size will be like 32. I think 25 is fine, and height is also 25 is fine. Okay, and you need to insert the clock icon. Okay, so just you need to select the clock and the color will be gray. Okay, so you can select the color will be gray. I think I'm okay. Now it's look good. And okay, now it's fine. Okay, so one more thing, the check-in is done and I need to give the time. Okay, so time label also, so you can copy this one and here you can paste this one, and here is time label. So I need to change the text size first. Okay, so let me text size give to 30 size. Okay, of text, and this one, and here I need to give the width of this like 120. I think 120 is too less, so right here 200 only. Okay, now you can write here like 6 9 a.m. Okay, okay, I need to decrease more size of font, so I think 25. Yeah, it's look good. And here I need to write below the check-in button. Okay, I think this part also done, and let me go little above. Okay, now you need to select the same and just copy and the paste again. Okay, once you paste, then scroll left. Okay, now here what you need to do, you need to write here the checkout. Okay, hello. So here you need to write your timeout. Now our this part is also done. Now we need to insert the office location as well. Okay, so what you need to do is just you can copy the above section, then we will insert here a button. Okay, so let's go here and I need to copy the same and just paste here. Okay, so this is our office location and the location section. Okay, so we will insert the formula later. And here you need to insert the a button. Okay, so basically so we able to find out where you mark. Okay, so let me insert a button here, and the button will be this one. The button size as per the text label. Okay, so this text label is of row height. I think properly. Let me check this. Okay, here is 28. So we need to give the 30 also, here also 30. I think 150 size of width. Okay, and here you need to write the office location. Okay, and the text color will be dark green. Okay, and this one is light gray. We set for now the normal things. Okay, then we can change all things later. Okay, and the text size will be 14 as per our standard size. Okay, and here we need to remove the border also. So basically this I think border is same. Now here is showing the office location as well. Now the whole things is done for the this screen. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to create the history screen. Okay, now let me show you. Here is our attendance screen, which one looks the similar. Okay, now we will create the history screen, and you can change the hover color also as well. So here is showing the blue, and you can change it as like the red. Okay, whenever you mouse, and it is showing the red color. Okay, now we need to create the history screen. Just you can copy the same screen. Basically, let me change the screen name first. Okay, attendance, and here is history screen. Let me show you. So this is our history screen, which one look like the attendance screen. Here is showing the tracking mark attendance, and here is showing the reports and history, and this one is gallery. Okay, so how we can add these things? Okay, so we will add additional option. Whenever we click on this, we able to view our attendance summary. Okay, so we will add the this one more thing. Okay, like so let me create this one screen. So for now, let me go on my application, and I need to copy the same screen, duplicate screen, in the attendance screen we need to remove the all things, okay, from this one. Okay, just we need to remove this one also we need to remove, this one also we need to remove, we need to remove the this one container as well. So let me remove. Now here what you need to insert here, just you can check here, here is showing reports and here is showing the history. Okay, so I need to add here the reports. Okay, and here I need to add the history. Now I need to add here gallery, and this button only, whenever we click on this then it's showing, and this button also showing the blue. For gallery what we need to do, just we need to select here, we need to import here gallery. Okay, so basically here is also filter option, the this month, and so we will add one more filter. So you can copy from your old screen. Okay, so here is dashboard, you can copy this container. So we will create the filters container on our history screen. So let me change the name also, history, and I need to insert here the history filter. Okay, so copy the same. Okay, I think it's look good, and you can remove the this one and this one also. I don't need to require this thing, and this one also. This is our filter container. Let me reduce the height as well. Now you need to insert the gallery. Okay, so here is the filter section, this month, and other filter section you can insert like this month daily view and custom range state. Okay, this is personal attendance, so we need only two like this filter. Okay, daily view, this month, and custom range. Okay, we need drop down like this. Okay, so for this I need to insert a logo in this, insert a icon. I think icon already added, I'm removed the icon. Okay, let me remove this one and remove this one and set the size small one. Okay, and this container will be set in the center, and here I need to add the filter icon for this container. If you want to give color you can give, and otherwise you can set as a transparent. Okay, and this icon color as well, let me set it the dark gray. I think here is blue, so you can set it as a blue. Now here I need to insert the drop down, and in this is your drop down, and you can insert this one. The total height of this thing, I think 89, so I need to give my 50. Now 40, 20 from above, 20 from below. Okay, now it's center, and let me give according to this. Here is the round shape, but if it's here is possible the border radius, let me give the border radius 20, and if you want to give the border color, here is showing, I think here is not showing the border color. Okay, so you can select this one, whenever you select this one is showing. Okay, and let me change the property, daily view. Okay, and you can give also last 7 days, last 15 days, You can add also this month. You can add also like last uh, 3 months. Okay, now you're able to view the old filter here. Okay, you can select anyone. Now you need to insert a gallery here. Just go to insert, and in here you need to search the gallery, and you can insert the vertical gallery. Okay, so this is our vertical gallery, and let me select my gallery. And so this is my gallery size. So what you need to do, I need to set my gallery first. Okay, so here is showing the all arrow. Okay, and here is showing the regular shift and other things, okay, as well. So I need to add the calendar type, this one and this, all things. Okay, so just you need to select this one. I think this one is enough. Okay, now what you need to add here, like in this, first you need to insert the container. Okay, and what is the container size? Over 580 and 89. Okay, so you need to set it. The 89 is our container size, and here is 580. 580. And how you can set up it? Okay, so basically go to size and width, and here you need to set the parent width -40. Okay, and okay, I think 80. Okay, because we need to less the this one also. Okay, so here is our container, and in this container we need to mention the all things. Okay, so basically you can select the all things and copy and the paste in this. Okay, and you need to give border radius all as well to this one. Like I'm give the container 20, and here I'm selected the semi light. And let me check here. Here is showing the white card. Okay, so I need to change the color as well. So need to select my container, and here I need to give the white color as well. Okay, now it's look good. Now you can remove the all formulas first. Okay, so I don't require these. Let me remove the all things here. I need next arrow, so I keep the next arrow. Okay, I don't need the all things, so that's the reason I'm remove the all things. And this is our next arrow, and again showing the error. Let me remove this one. Still showing the error. Okay, now you can set it in the center and in the last. Okay, so now it's showing like this. Okay, now we need to add this one. Okay, so here is showing the month, the current month, and here is showing the date. So basically what you need to do, you need to link your gallery. Okay, so we don't have create a first and any backend. Okay, so we will add our gallery later. Okay, so for now we are creating only design, so we will create the our backend once we done the all things. Okay, so first I need to insert here the container in this. Okay, and container size will be like here is half of this. Okay, so basically this container size width is I think 50, and this one also I think 100. I think enough. 100 is still too much. I'm give here. Okay, and here you need to give the y property is 20, because the full length is 90. So 20 and 20 below, and 50 is our height. Okay, and I think here I need to increase the 70, and here I need to give the 10. Now it's look good, and let me remove the borderline, light to none. Okay, and in this I need to give the color. Okay, first hand here is showing the color like light blue, so you need to go and select this one and you go to custom property and select the opacity like this one. I think enough. Okay, I think this one is 20, opacity is fine, and here you need to give the border radius. Okay, 20, and if you want to give the drop shadow like this you can, and the width is I want here the total width I think 60 is fine. 60 is too less, 70 as per our height. Okay, so now you need to insert the text label in this. So first we insert our text label. So this is our first text label. So go to above, and here you need to mention the center alignment and the middle. Okay, I think now I think fine. First showing our month, so I need to add here the month formula. Basically I think it's not work. Let me add here custom text like we will add month later, because all logics we will create later. Okay, so here is showing the month name like November. Okay, so let me add here the number. Okay, and text will be I think a semi bold and color will be blue. So here is showing the dark blue. Now I need to copy and paste the same. Copy the same and paste the same in this container, and set size as per recording, and the text size will be 14 to 28. Okay, and you can give here like a 28 date. Okay, and let me set here and you need to set the middle as a top. Okay, so now here is showing on the top, and this one I want to show on bottom. Okay, auto height, and this one also on auto height mode. Let me do here the 21 each Y property. I think 18 is fine. Okay, now it's look good. Now here is showing the date. Okay, the in the calendar section. Okay, and okay, now it's look good. Now what we need to add, I need to add here the shift matlab shift type, regular shift या fixed shift या other things. Okay, as well, so you can just insert, and here I need to mention history. Okay, now in this you can insert the text label again. Okay, here you can mention like a regular shift. Okay, so regular shift Okay, you can change the color. Here is showing the black, so you can just select the bold first, and here is showing the 30 to 18 size, and the color will be black. Okay, height will be auto height, and vertical line in middle. Okay, now you need to copy the same. Okay, now what we need to do, I need to copy the same one. Okay, basically, so we will work in fast way, so that's the reason. So here is showing the check-in and check-out time, so you can add these thing here. Okay, so for this you need to copy and paste the same thing here, and I think okay, first you need to change the height, and both height, I think 20 is enough. Okay, so this one also you need to change the text font, I think 14. Now what you need to do, you need to insert here the time. If we have attached any gallery, so you can insert directly gallery time. So here is no gallery, so we insert the same time like this one. Okay, so double inverted comma 08 45 am. So we added this one, and here you need to select again auto height. Now this part is done. Now what we need to I need to add here the working hours also. Okay, so just you need to copy this same and paste here. Okay, now here is showing the all things. Now you need to do one more thing, and here is showing the working hour. Okay, so basically first I need to change the icon. As per this, here is showing the office icon, office bag icon, so you can insert this same. You can write this one. Okay, and here is showing the total hours. Okay, so the total is hour 09 hours. Okay, so you can add this thing. 9 hours 15 minutes. Okay, now here is showing, and now you need to add the one more button here, so you can just copy this button. Okay, and paste in the same on the history button. Okay, so just you can paste here, and here you can first you need to decrease the size of button, and height will be I think 25, and text like present or absent, we can create logics later. Okay, so for now we are adding like small things. Okay, so we are adding for now. Here I need to select my text will be green, and here background color also will be light green. You can add button here also. Okay, if you want. Now our this screen also done. Now you can check, here is showing the regular shift. Okay, you can create also database, or you can add here dummy data like 10 to 20 to 30 data here. So let me add here a dummy, let me create a dummy gallery. Okay, so if you want to add your dummy gallery, so you can add, or you can connect with your list also. Here is showing the time in and time out, and here is showing the working hours. Okay, now we are pending only profile screen. So basically profile screen, let me go on profile screen. So this is our profile screen. Profile screen like the dash, your dashboard screen. Okay, so here is showing the profile photo and name and role and other things as well. Okay, now how we create the profile screen? So let me go on my this screen. So we will copy this screen. Okay, just copy, duplicate screen. So we duplicate our dashboard screen for profile screen. So let me change first the screen name like profile. Okay, and here we need the only for this thing. Okay, so and here also we need the employee profile picture and the other things, employee name and the designation as well. Okay, and here is identity. Okay, so you can add also identity. First let me remove this thing. Okay, so here is I need to add the identity. So we added the text label. Okay, now here is showing. Okay, now I need to remove this container. I don't require this container here. Okay, so first let me go to my container, above container. Let me remove this one, and what I need to do, I need to add here the profile picture and the name of employee and the designation. Okay, so for this let me copy this one. Okay, so you can copy this container, just copy and paste here. Now here on the image property, you need to add here like user full name. Okay, so user dot image, image, you need to add here the user image, and you can set size according to you. And here you need to select the all containers and just drag and drop below. Okay, and I think the icon will I need to decrease the size of this container, and so let me select my container size, and here is 225. So let me give it 150, here also 150. Okay, and image size also 150. I think 150 is too less, 180 and 180 also, and the container size also 180. And 180. Now it's look good, and now I need to set in the center section. Okay, now I need to add my name here. Just copy and paste the same, and just you can set the full width. Okay, and you want to show here your full name. So for this what you need to do here, user dot full name. Okay, so you able to view your full name here. Just, and I want my name in the center, so just select the center. Now you able to view your name in the center, and here you want to show your designation. So just you need to copy, and let me show here. Here is showing the employee. Okay, so I think it's already copy. Let me delete this one, and you can add like this button. Okay, so just copy and paste here. Okay, now okay, you can increase the size of width. Okay, so I'm give the 200 width size. Okay, and as per this, here is blue color, and let me select the color. So I'm selected the dark blue, and the background color will be light blue. Okay, text size will be increased 14 to 20, I think 25, and I'm setting the center, and I no need the border. Okay, so I'm remove this border line, and here I'm increase the 30 size of the border radius. Now it's look good. Okay, and here I need to write like admin. You can add according to you. And text size I think it will be 25. Okay, now this thing is done. Now what we need to do, okay, now we need to add a logout button like this. Okay, sign out. Okay, so you can add the button, this one. Okay, just copy and paste. You can set the size as per this. Here is showing the total size of 580, so you can give the 580. Okay, and the X property is 40. Now it's in the center section, and you can give the border radius. Let me check here. Border radius I think 20. Okay, and you can set the height like 60, and you can give the logout button here, and you can change the color of text like white, and here also you can change the dark red. Okay, and you can set center. I think it's not in the center section. Now it's center. Okay, now here is your home screen created, and you can add here like few things. Email address, so let me add here. You can remove, you can and you can increase this one text size. Okay, so font color dark black. Okay, and increase the size like 24. Okay, so here you can put the email address. You can write now what you need to do, just you can delete these thing. Okay, you need to add your details. For now let me decrease the size also. So here I want only 15 size, 15 or 14 I think enough. Okay, so now it's look good. Now copy, and you need to remove this one and paste here also. Here you can change the designation. Okay, and here you can write the Power Platform Developer. Okay, you can increase the size of text level. I don't need this one also as well. Paste here as well. So now it's look good, and the our application is almost done. Now how we can check? Now you can check, this is our login screen. Okay, basically, okay, this is our login screen. Okay, and this is our dashboard. Okay, and this is our attendance, and this is our history, and this is our profile. Okay, so how we can set the color also? If you can use the if formula. If our active screen is equal to this screen, then automatically this color, otherwise showing the color as per the according. Okay, so our application design is done. Now we creating the all logics for this application. Okay, so how we create the all logics? Okay, so you need to watch my second video. In the second video we create the logics. Okay, and we create the dashboard for manager or admin, and so manager and admin able to view the all attendance in the dashboard. Okay, you can add customize option like selfie option, you can add the other things as well. Okay, so for now only this thing we created. So thank you so much. If you need any help in this, please let me know.